So guys, we're back again. This is the Astra. We're doing the rebuild project. As you remember, we've had a headache with the light. The light's finally working. Previous video, I did just join all the connections. Now they're being well, not professionally, but anyway, put away in the correct manner. They are waterproofed. They're all held in place in the right place. We put 3 cable ties as well as tying them up properly, etc, etc. Anyway, they're in right. Headlight can go in now. So the reason the headlight was smashed, the headlight has been changed, sorry, is because the previous headlight was smashed. So there's 3 bolts. One is in the top here, one is around the bottom here, and one is just on the side of the bottom of the wing, which is there. So what we're going to do is we're going to take all 3 of these out. I'll just take the bottom one out. It'll be 1 second. All we're using is an 8mm socket with an extendable bar. Not much pressure has to go in, and just a twisting. And that's one out. We don't need that one no more. It's cracked away, so we throw that down there. We need the screw. We keep the screw. We'll just put it on here. Time to take the top one out. There's another one. That piece can go down there again. And again, another broken piece can go down there. We've got the 3 bolts. I'll just put the ratchet up here. Time to get the headlight in, and make sure we put the wires in the right place. So they are just going to go inside the wing. And the bulbs on this light were fine because we've already tested them, and because there was no actual frame damage, everything is matching up as it should do. So one screw can go there, one can go into here. Obviously it will need a little bit of an adjustment because I have to get the line etc correct, otherwise it'll just look ridiculous. But we can do that towards the end. I am going to turn this guy off, guys, so you can see a lot better. And I can tighten it out there without being blinded. So all I'll do is just bend over. That's it, the lights are off. The third one goes underneath here, which the camera won't be able to catch as it is quite under. What I'll do is just quickly tighten that one, then I'll come back to the top. But I am very happy that the light has actually started working. All the electric, well, the light electrics are done anyway, so that's one headache down. The bodywork is just the bumper really that's left, and the grille on top, and then the lining. After that it needs to go for its MOT. We also need to perform a diagnostics to see if there's any codes inside the system, just to be on the safe side. Other than that, the logbook will need to be applied for. However, I've already done that. I'm not sure if I've mentioned it in previous videos. I have already gone ahead and applied for the logbook, so that should be here very soon. Tyres etc will need to be checked. The car will need a clean, but that's all very minor and easy stuff. So lights in, just tighten up a little bit because it does have a bit of play in it, but it will be supported a lot more when the bumper etc comes on because it sits on the bumper. So that's on there. If we close the bonnet lightly, sitting quite nice. If we check the other side, see what the difference is. Sitting quite nice. So what's in that side has got a tiny bit of overlap over here, but that's very minor, and it is quite good. All the lines do look identical, so we're happy with that. I'm just going to go and pop the bonnet quickly, so we can get back into the engine. There's the gorgeous engine. So guys, that's that done. We've got this little part down here, and the method I was thinking to bring this one out is simply, I'm thinking if I can just get round, we come right down to the actual crash bar. I was thinking if we could just pull it out a little bit, but with it being a crash bar, I don't think it's going to budge. It's not going to budge at all. It's not going to have no play in it whatsoever. We could replace this bar, however, it isn't actually badly damaged. If we just get under, you can see that the damage is very minor. It's just gone ever so slightly in. It's not even, it does look a lot worse in the camera there, but it's actually not as bad as what it looks. So I'm just going to leave it. The toe and eye matches up, like my finger's gone straight in, it's gone straight into the toe and eye, so that's perfectly fine. I'm not worried about that. And since it hasn't actually moved the frame in behind or anything like that, I don't actually see necessary to change this one. So we're just going to leave this. We're going to get the bumper, put the bumper on, and see what goes on from there. But anyway guys, this was just a quick video to show you the lights on, everything's done. Stay tuned and you'll see the bumper getting on. Guys, don't forget, like, share and subscribe to stay tuned for more. Thank you very much.